Hey, how y'all doing today? Whew, hot one out there. My thermometer thingy is hitting 98. Thought I'd take a break from the moan. Got curious. Got another presidential election coming up, and well, things that probably be discussed will be climate change, dissing fossil fuels, what have you. Um, One of the concerning things to me is, of course, they want everybody to go, alternative power when, you know, um, 2050, 2030, 2040, someplace in that neighborhood. Um, it's odd. It's odd because as I shoot this video, the deforestation of, well, the Amazon rainforest and the African rainforest, Borneo rainforest, it is estimated that they will be gone by 2050. There hasn't been any plans, any talk. Actually, as I searched, there's nothing about replanting any of this stuff. It's interesting. As we get the minerals that we need for our high tech lifestyle, we are killing ourselves. I don't know where I'll be at the age of, where I'll be in 2050, being that I'm 58 now. But yeah, it's pretty wild, pretty disturbing. The climate change really started, it was quite obvious in the destruction of the Amazon rainforest, the Congolese rainforest as we strip. And I can understand these countries wanting to get out of that third world status, become major players, you know, um, the exotic woods, raising food. Oh, then we got, people that like, what was it, Jeff? That Bates feller, anyway, that multi-billionaire and them guys, they don't want us, they want us to go vegan. They got this meatless burger. Um, and actually, if you search, just hit Google and be like Google, tell me about so and so's meatless burger. This super billionaire has invested several $1 million into, you know, a vegan burger and has actually invested several $1 million into a tick-borne disease research. Seems kind of funny. But anyway, yeah, there's just wanted to mention that, there's been no talk of, going forward, there's no talk of replanting any of this stuff. Barren desert, grassland for the cattle. Hmm. Interesting thought. Maybe, if there was talk of there might be a solution. might be a solution. I know my landlord and family, haven't really talked about going electric, putting in the electric converters for vehicles. They got a whole slope out here being on top of this hill. They got this nice hayfield, 20-acre hayfield. They could put some panels in, I'm sure. It's interesting. Anyway, I just wanted to, something that's been on my mind, and I just wanted to share that, man. 18 million hectares. I got to looking into that. What is a hectare is hectares or whatever that is, of land, and it was 2.2 and a half acres is being destroyed, and there's some like 18 million acres, which that will bring a lot of animals into extinction outside of seeing these things at a zoo. Uh, hmm, Pretty wild, pretty wild. It's kind of funny. I looked at a map and it showed like Afghanistan holding a fairly large quantity of lithium. Um, wow, maybe we should go back and befriend these people and work with them, get some of that. Afghanistan is desert. Uh, yeah, it's pretty wild, pretty wild. I don't know, just food for thought, man. By 2050, hmm, pretty much around the corner. Hey, y'all have a good day. God bless.